Hey everybody, this is a video of how to take apart the dash to install a new cluster or just remove it for any repairs. I'm going to start off with some of the tools you need. You need a 10mm extension. I have a wobble extension, Phillips screwdriver, trim tool. You could use an impact gun or a wrench, and some flashlights. First thing you want to do is pull your steering forward and down. This trim with the leather needs to come out. You pull it up. It's just all clips. Just like that. So raise this back up. Set up your flashlights. This trim needs to come off. This whole bottom. There's two 10mm for the hood latch release, and then 4 for the cluster. So this, you could use a trim tool. Pull it right out. It's just clips. That. This trim right here, just pull straight down. Put these out of the way. This also pulls straight down. This is enough room, but if you want some extra room, you could take this clip off and this tube off. So the 4 10mm is 1, 2, 3, and 4, if you could see. Take those off. Last one's a little tight, but you'll get it. So you have 6 total. 4 for the column, 2 for the OBD. I'm sorry, the hood latch. After that, the cluster should be loose. Want to cover your steering wheel and over here, so you're gonna take it up and over. To lean this forward. There's the clip. Should be 2. 1 for the buttons and 1 for the cluster. The big one's for the cluster. Okay. So you want your steering wheel out and down. Get this forward. To rotate. And out. That's how you do your removal. Alright, obviously I installed the Speed by Design cluster already, but taking off the original screws, you take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 8 and 9 under here. You remove those and your OEM cluster will come out. This is on a clip, you just slide it forward and it'll release. It takes some pressure, but after that it should be out. Bolt in the new one. 1, 2. That's the original bolts. This one is going to be with your kit. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Those are these right here. The rest is all your factory stuff. You're gonna need to use the clips from the kit and these from your original cluster. Plug in your USB so it tucks under there from the bag. Basically it. The reinstall is basically the reverse of the removal. Just slide it in from here and plug in everything before you bolt it up to here. Make sure these are clipped in on both sides. Your HDMI. Make sure this little plastic nub goes into here. These are your 4 bolt screws, and then 2 plastic dowels to guide you . The 2 left ones are easy. The 2 right ones are a little tight, so you might need to go from under. Tucks in. right back in like that. Two. That's it.